Nice.
Come get a shot of this.
That's crazy.
It's like there's a little bit of honey right there. Just a little bit. Oh, it's dripping out. Another piece. Try to get it in the sun there.
Yeah, nice. You can see it really well on
where
here.
it was attached to the log. And doesn't look like there's any honey on that one yet either. Alright guys. You weren't going to be using that anyways. It's got honey.
Oh, damn. Look at that.
Honey, I'm like, there's the honey.
Nice.
Wow, the cone doesn't look very good. It looks all brown and weird. Yeah. Got it.
Damn.
Didn't get the cone
Damn, that's a lot of bees.
All right, hold on.
Holy shit.
This part of it.
Oh, they get you?
I had it on my eyebrow and hung on.
Oh.
Hold on. This other piece of cone right here. Oh. When I went to brush him.
He got you?
Yeah, on my nose. Alright, so we got in there. We got some honeycomb. Look at all that. Some nice pieces in there. I don't know why this stuff's all dark or anything. Oh look, there's still some bees in there. Pretty good amount of comb. We figured out this entire log is hollow, and there's probably honeycomb all the way back into here. They might actually make it through the winter because of that. We'll see. These were like landing on my face and in my eyes, and I tried to brush one off and he got me.